I think we may have found heals in the body inside of Firebird. We had error was the out, and now they gave us more. I'm sorry about it. I mean, bring it back. Just wait till we get him ready for the opening. But now, here's another important happening company. And yet again, this place is dumb. This is the last week. We need to approach this. Oh, by the way, we're going back to Freddy Girl to see what we can find. And we'll be back here. We're back to Freddy Girl. It's still saying alright, but at least we know we're better. By the way, if any of the animatronics in your office, there's a lever on the right. Pull the lever and it'll put out a beam of steam. Shoot Freddy to take off the Anyways, I'll talk to you soon if you did, and we'll see what we can find.
Thank you again. You can jump in the delivery order. Do and bring lots soon. We can entertain ourselves in case something happens to the animatronic. The third one, we don't exactly know what it is yet, but it seems like a stimulus inside. That's all for tonight. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this recording.
I don't think it's a good idea to wear it too long.
I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Well, I think that's it. You should be golden. Check the lights, make sure nobody gets in, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.